Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about our next topic under the life process chapter, that is respiration. So before this, we have discussed about the process of nutrition in animals, and as a result of that, we'll be getting the nutrients into the blood, and blood supplied those nutrients to the cell. Now, in the cell, that particular nutrient, mainly glucose, is going to broken down into the inorganic substances, that is carbon dioxide, water, to get the energy. Fine. So that is respiration. Got it? We're going to discuss the same in an elaborated form. So what respiration is? This is the cell. Got it? The cell receive oxygen via blood. ठीक है, ब्लड ने ही यहाँ पर ग्लूकोज एंड amino acids, fatty acids distributed to the cell. Got it? Nucleus of the cell, we can say. In that way, over here, how this cell is going to use this glucose in the presence of oxygen? That we'll see. This glucose in the presence of oxygen get oxidized to release CO2, water, and the small packets of energy in the form of ATP. So respiration is a process in which the food substrate, this is the respiratory substrate जिसका respiration होगा. Okay, so the food component get oxidized, or we can say broken down in the presence of oxygen to release energy. This energy will be used in various life processes, in the various activities of the cell. Got it? So we used to say for doing any activity we need energy. From where we are getting this energy? From the food which we are taking. Okay? And in the form of the ATP molecule. It means this ATP is going to store the energy which is released when this molecule is getting oxidized. ठीक है, जब ये टूट रहा था तो जो एनर्जी निकली है वो एटीपी की फॉर्म में स्टोर हो गई. फाइन. सो व्हेन विल बी यूजिंग दिस एनर्जी, दिस एटीपी अगेन टूटेगा ये एंड इट विल बी रिलीजिंग एनर्जी. हम लोगों को जो एनर्जी चाहिए वो इस तरीके से मिलेगी. एंड हाउ दिस एटीपी फॉर्म? एडीपी इन द साइटोप्लाज्म प्लस इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट, और जो एनर्जी रिलीज हुई थी उसको ट्रैप कर लिया ATP में. Got it? In this way, this ATP is formed. What this ATP is, we'll see that afterwards. Before this, we're going to see the respiration definition and reaction. So respiration is a biochemical process in which food, that is glucose I'm writing here, get oxidized to release energy. Okay, this is respiration. When we talk about breathing now, that is the part of respiration. Without that exchange of gases, no respiration is going to take place. So this is when we talk about cellular respiration, the respiration which is going to take place within the cell. That is a enzymatic reaction. It means enzymes are required in this. Got it? So this reaction will be going to say कि क्या reaction है हमारी? Glucose. This is, just wait, C6H12O6 in the presence of oxygen. Oxygen is required for the respiration, mainly to get more energy. Then we'll be getting carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, that is ATP. So this is the reaction for the respiration. Now you can see the same reaction we have seen earlier in the photosynthesis, but that is reverse of this. We need CO2 plus water and energy for making the glucose, and oxygen is released. Okay, so in the case of photosynthesis we were making something, okay, and here we are releasing or breaking something. Got it? तो ये catabolic process है. Fine. Now, depending upon the availability of the oxygen, this respiration is of further two types. That is, which is occurring in the presence of oxygen is aerobic, and which is occurring in the absence of oxygen, that is anaerobic respiration. Fine. So we'll see this. First we'll talk about ATP, and then we will talk about the types of respiration. Got it? So ATP we'll talk about. This is adenosine triphosphate. Got it? This is the currency of energy. This is the currency of energy. Fine. It means energy हमें यहाँ से मिलने वाली है ATP से. How this ATP form? ADP plus inorganic phosphate and the energy which is released by the breaking of the bonds between CO2 and water, then it is going to form this ATP. Got it? And this will be used for, ये हमारी energy है, this will be used for various processes. ठीक है? Muscle contraction, nerve impulse conduction, ठीक है, and that different all the activities जो भी होंगी, movement of ions, exchange of nutrient minerals over there, ATP की help से, ठीक है, हम लोग पढ़ेंगे that active transport, so that is all requiring energy. तो जिस भी प्रोसेस को एनर्जी चाहिए वो ATP की फॉर्म में एनर्जी देगा. Got it? And the site of the production of this ATP is mainly mitochondria. Fine. So we'll see the types also. So as I have told you, the glucose is undergoing the breakdown. So this glucose which is present in the cell, okay, this is present in cell. Oxygen is also present in the cell. Got it? In the cytoplasm we can say. Now this is breaking down into an intermediate, that is pyruvate. Further this pyruvate follow three pathways. Okay? This is lactic acid fermentation, alcoholic fermentation, and the aerobic respiration. Got it? Now this particular part, ये जितना हम पढ़े ना ग्लूकोज का ब्रेकडाउन, ये वाला, this is termed as glycolysis. It means ग्लूकोज का breakdown. ठीक है? Lysis means breakdown. So this is glycolysis. This glycolysis occur in cytoplasm. Fine. यहाँ तक cytoplasm में होगा. Afterwards, depending on, like this will occur in mitochondria and these two will take place in cytoplasm itself. Fine. So in our next lecture, we will talk about aerobic and anaerobic reactions or respiration types in detail. Thank you.